Good afternoon, my dear gardeners. If you want your peppers to grow faster, stronger and healthier this year, stay tuned until the end because today we are talking about my favorite, completely natural feeding that anyone can make at home. Before we go, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click like and share this video with friends who, just like us, love working in the garden. Write to me below in the comments, yes or no, do you plant peppers? And more importantly, what natural ingredients do you use to help them grow faster and more resistant? Let's exchange tricks. Peppers are the real queen of every garden, but to be strong and full of fruits, they need a little extra attention. Chemical fertilizers can only harm the soil, so organic feeding is always the best choice. Everything you need, you already have in your kitchen, and that's what I love the most. Many forget that peppers require a lot of calcium, but also mild protection from disease. This is where a simple trick that I have been practicing for years comes into play, and my rows of peppers prove it. If you like what you hear, click like, subscribe to the channel, and send this video to your friends so they too can have a garden to be proud of. Now, here is my secret recipe for faster pepper growth. Take 1 liter of milk or the one you have left in the fridge and dilute it with 10 liters of water. Water the peppers with this mixture once every 2 weeks, preferably in the morning or early evening. Milk strengthens the plants, protects them from pests, and provides valuable calcium, everything that peppers love. Thank you for watching. If you found this tip useful, subscribe, leave a comment and don't miss the next videos on my channel. See you in the garden, and until then, may your peppers grow like water.